Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a scrolling text animation using Canva. Let's get started. Head over to Canva and click on Video. Open your desired video resolution. You can change the background color. Or use an image as the background. Proceed to the text section and type your text. Adjust the font and size. Position the text at the top. Go to Effects and select Hollow. Then decrease the thickness to 10. Duplicate the text and move down. Continue duplicating. Select all the text layers and position them in the middle using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Duplicate the first text. Apply the neon effect and place it above the original. Repeat this process for the following text layers. Click on the zoom page icon and increase the size. Adjust the duration of each text layer to 0.4 seconds. Duplicate the page multiple times. And there you have it, the final results. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials. Thank you for watching.